Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henne kasni kanyo trek ubna rempang. Kabreru kasni kabakado hakabaki kertong kibatmu banyak konik election MLA kaban salong haka arpnyo trek mentau ubna rempang. Bakin tap iki kerteng jungki. East Castles District ki balat tap kerteng hadu enne kasni kiladan setang nyongot baro. Ki kertong na ki seng-sang bertai ki balat tap kerteng enne kasni ki kentok. Ya ki kertong jong kaseng kon nyo trap National Awakening Movement. Katau ba bansan lang majau. Ubanya kon na Meliam Constituency. Bat uba Lambor, Skam Kharpuri. Ubanya kon na Maukenro Constituency. Ki weipat ki kertong ki kentok yu ba pene bor lang mukhem. Ubanya kon na kaseng United Democratic Party. Ubanya kon na Maurengkeneng Constituency. Umanas Chowdhury naka seng Indian National Congress ubanya kon naka South Shillong Constituency uba mun akbar Lingdo naka seng RPI ubanya kon naka South Shillong Constituency ki weipat ki blathap kerteng nekasngi ki deipat ki kertong Klemseng bakantop ya kakong Anita Sendram kabanya kon na pentoram kra bat uba Phirarani ubanya kon na Lajum Kra Constituency.
But don't make this one guy. Thank you.
What was it? Only 5 people. The rest can be outside. We'll call them.
I, Manas Chowdhury, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I don't see much of a competition. It's a hands-down victory for the Congress. BJP has been trying to penetrate into Meghalaya for so many months. Where is the acceptance of BJP? I don't see, because I was in BJP, I have worked for BJP. I found it very difficult that the Christians and the religious minorities have not accepted BJP in Meghalaya. I cannot speak for other states, but in Meghalaya, they have not accepted BJP. Because the Christians and the Muslims and other religious minority groups are wary of the agenda of the BJP. It's not easy. It's not easy to sell an idea with all kinds of wrong reports appearing in the media every day about BJP's fringe communities and fringe groups doing all kinds of vandalism. You cannot expect Christian minorities who are tribes and who are minorities of Meghalaya, of India rather, who will accept BJP like that. It's seen as an intrusion into their rights. So that has not helped. And also the fact that the BJP has tried to give a little sop by giving 70 crore rupees for religious pilgrimage. That's too little and too late. It's not working. We have seen the church groups have not accepted. What does it show? That the minorities have not accepted the idea of the agenda of the BJP.
What will be your thrust?
Yesterday, Sanbor Shulai, he has claimed that he will defeat you again by over 15,000 votes. And that he will ensure that this will be your last election. What do you have to say on
He may have his own pipe dream. He doesn't know that there is a double trouble for him. He is first having an anti-incumbency, huge burden of anti-incumbency, and now he has joined BJP, which is not acceptable to the people of 19 South. In our constituency, there were 32,000 voters. Out of these, 11,000 voters are the Christians and the Mohammedans. And they are not going to go the BJP way. So that means 1 out of 3 voters in 19 South are against BJP. How can he win by 15,000? This is a pipe dream. He is living in a fool's paradise. Let him be. His days are numbered. You cannot fool the people. People are intelligent in Laban. They're conscious. They know what is what. They're well informed. So there is no question of selling this kind of pipe dreams to the people through media.
What will be your thrust area?
What will be my?
Thrust area when...
Thrust area, if I am elected, I feel that in my constituency, water supply is going to be my priority number 1. Number 2 is the civic amenities. We have a lot of deficiencies. No MLA works have been done. 2 crore rupees used only for buying articles which are of no value to the people. People need income. People need support from the MLA and the government to increase their living standard. That has not happened. The daily wage earners are struggling to live a decent life. Therefore, my priority will be to help the poor and the downtrodden. And I'm not making an empty election promise. I have a program. I want to increase the minimum wages act of Meghalaya. Laborers today get 236 rupees or 37 rupees per day as a minimum wage in Meghalaya, and which is so little. Compare an MLA, when in Meghalaya was created, MLA is to get 5,000 rupees as monthly salary. Today, Meghalaya MLAs get 2 lakh rupees. If MLA's salary can go up, why the poor people's daily wage cannot go up? Why it has not been done? I will see that poor people do not suffer if the Congress comes to power, as we are sure Congress is destined to retain power in Meghalaya. I am very certain, and I want to tell you one more thing, that it is a providence, act of God, that BJP did not give me ticket. I would have been a defeated man. People would not have accepted me because I had joined that party, which is not acceptable to the majority people in Meghalaya. So it is an act of providence. The last moment they betrayed me, did not give me ticket. So today I am in Congress and I feel so comfortable that I am very sure that the people will not accept BJP in 19 South. When I joined the BJP, I was given the responsibility of organizing the party and selling the idea of BJP. I worked for 8 months. And my experience tells me that people say, okay, Bamanas, you are a good man, we'll accept you, but we don't like BJP. That was the common refrain everywhere I went. So when BJP, I thought, okay, maybe they will vote for me, if not for the party. But now that the party has rejected me, it came out to be a boon for me. I'm so grateful to God that God has given me this opportunity to be back in my former party. And this party is going to capture power in March when the new government is formed. No, I'll tell you, first the Rajya Sabha seat offer came to me. Now they wanted to give me a seat either from Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh or Assam, I don't know where BJP is ruling. Now I said, look, I belong to Meghalaya. If I go and be elected from Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan or Assam, I'll have to work for the people of that state. And the money that will come to me as in Rajya Sabha MP, I'll have to spend in that state. So what am I going to do there? I belong to this place, I must work for this place. So I said, no, please, I am not interested in going to Rajya Sabha. Although it would have been a personal glory for me that I am a member of Rajya Sabha. But I am not looking for personal glory. So that's why I have not taken, because I feel that I should be rooted to this place, I should serve the people of this area, I should work for them, and I will give my best if I am elected in this election, as I'm sure I will be. I will work for next 5 years, you'll see there will be a lot of change, and we were going to make people first program. People are forgotten. This is an awful situation that during election, All the people are getting importance. But after election, what happens? The MLA becomes the most important man. This is not the way. The chair the MLA or minister occupies doesn't belong to him. It belongs to the people, and he must respect that. So we want to bring a correction in our approach, in our priorities, and our attitude. So people first will be our priority. I have a vision about Meghalaya. Meghalaya can be a real model state. It can still be. And I believe we can do it. So we'll create a roadmap for Meghalaya in the coming 5 years. Don't forget, friends, about one thing. In 5 years' time, we'll be completing 50 years of our statehood. As of today, we have very little to show to the people, to the rest of the country and the world, that we have made this much progress in 45 years. Now, in the next 5 years, we'll try to make this correction. We'll try to show you better results, better roads, better town should be better managed. All these things we'll have to do in the next 5 years. So it's a lot of work ahead of us. It's not easy to win election and run a government. So we will try to do that. We will push the people to have the people-friendly and a development-oriented priority for the government. That's what we would like to do.
I, Mr. Banshala Majam, has been nominated as a candidate to fill seat in the 20 million Legislative Assembly. I do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Tentang bulan lagi MLA, kibala yo abang MLA, ni kung kandidate ba tentang promise a lot kepada bahadian ke promise kembangin ay kepada anda gila jawab mitu show yo kepada abang nilai ban canvas election ban campaign ni ang bang ni thu ya pi kiduk ni thu ya pi sub ni thu yang ni cuki anda gila jawab election ni mitu show ngai thu tang kita kile dari dak belong khmat bagi kita kilong MLA ya kimi pat hanya sabon long MLA kada gajing kenduk nga baru kepada Lay bandon no giding pengkiang ba penthut dia ba ban sangau kan dia kata ke bangam sotna bade kata ke bala pelong yang bang persang katla ka dia men lay ke we ke house meeting la pelong sibun tli ke house meeting daki ruspa ni uspa tli ke house meeting la lay makwa ban keduk khendiat ba kan long perlok ban kan dia so nda job ndolong ngam long perlok kinut ban fly ke jinge jengki ya ke jing dan kam jengki dia kata kepala pelong banyak pun je election. Hak bayi dia pakai jeng stadion jeng konsumsi kalong bah, sekitan sekidong jengi buon bah, kajulong lah segwe konsumsi, ngiyo surak rong ngiyo surak patang election, non election ngiyo. Confident jonga kalong, confident jong pajba, lalu pajba sian borba yang kata kata confidence jonga. Maka jeng job kajing rem kasyong hau pajba, bat ngadudan kata kajingat, bang aku mubri ngas pengkrek kajing perjanakan bejung penra. Katong jonga kalong banra ya kakot ya hak ini gitan gidong kisna juli bon lagi sinong jengi padon watang kesap sentaru kalau don kesap sentaru umdon gi NM nas ke giban sa hang tu ban peglam na kabanta karo kakot ya kejong ka kinong duk kinong sup kata kabar kalian ngapuli kapsi himdon college po konsumsi jongi kamar kunang kau tega we na sinong kaba pentup langi ke henrio tu ligi sinong gi join lang kamar kunang Rengi padon ya college. Kasnong mentak sedang hidal di penpiang ya college. Mereka melihat ikat tinggal Shanlang. Dalam Shanlang kinong kemat ngat sai kolong ke adu kata-kata bantuan ya kene college. Nama kani kajingdon jo kene college kene rap ya kinong duk nusuk banjok ban pulih. Ban sa selong kat no ke bai wayeng. Kawan nasional kat no ke bai kali kalak ta ya ka ayu jongki. Kalak ta ya ka pelapis tengka jongki kajingduk kajing sep pi. Dan nasional ngat kau lesi kan sai rap shibun. Ya kinong song snong jongi bakin yok kam pulih kam ha kam cenah biladap ya ka ten lan nei ka 12.
One set will do.
Nil, what your nil, you have to write nil.
Real fight amongst the candidate of Kuntham Kra constituency.
So how do you see yourself, your position?
My position is very strong. As far as I have interacted with the people, the full support is there. Okay, development of the constituency. Then I'll see the other sectors also, health sectors, education sectors, and the other problem of the people.